Hello, welcome to Dan Multi-Skills. In this video I'm going to show you on how to repair your PC or laptop via Windows Automatic Repair. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications for future uploads. Let's begin on how to repair your PC or laptop via Windows Automatic Repair. When do you get a screen like this? For example, while you're playing games or using the PC or laptop as normal and then it randomly shut down. So it can happen when you shut down or restart the machine even normally, and you will get a screen like this when you turn it back on. It could be a number of reasons, such as outdated drivers, driver conflict, Windows is outdated, or the operating system is corrupted. So in order to repair it, I'll take you through step by step which option is going to be the best option on how to repair your PC or laptop via Windows Automatic Repair. In the next screen you will have an options. It says choose an option. You can click continue. You can go to use a device. If you have a recovery media such as DVD or USB, you can choose this option if you want to go down this route, or you can go to troubleshoot. I'll just click on troubleshoot. I just want to give you a brief explanation on here on what would be the best option here. So when you click on troubleshoot, you will get reset this PC or advanced option. So if you click on advanced options, you will get a number of other options such as startup repair. It may work. It will be worthwhile to go through these options before you go down the route of resetting your PC. For example, startup repair or uninstall updates, or if you want to go down the route of command prompts, you can do this, or system restore. System restore will only work if you've created it before this has happened. So in the next video I will show you on how to create a system restore and how to restore your system, just in case if you're running into the same problem, Windows Automatic Repair. So I'm just going to go back and then choose an option, reset this PC. And with the reset this PC, you will have two options: keep my files or remove everything. Again, you can choose whichever option it suits you the most. For example, you can keep your files. If you have important files on your system, then what you can do, it's best to go down this route. What it does, it takes less time than remove everything. So for this video, I'm going to show you on how to reset this PC by removing everything. If I click remove everything, then I will get two options: cloud download or local reinstall. What's the difference between these two? The cloud download is introduced in May 2020 when Microsoft released the latest Windows 2004. It's quite useful just in case if you're running into a problem and none of these options worked. The local reinstall, basically it will just reset the PC back to the default setting when you first or originally received the machine. But with the cloud download is quite useful. The cloud downloads, what it does, it will download the latest Windows files from Microsoft and uses it to reinstall Windows. So I would say 99% the reset this PC will succeed. What it does, it will download the latest version of Windows and then reinstall it for you. So in this video I'm going to show you go through down the route of cloud download. So if I click cloud download, now you will have two more options: just remove my files or clean the drive fully. So if you decided just to remove my files, this process can take less time rather than doing the clean the drive fully. However, when I do, I'm going to go through the fully clean the drive fully. If I click on this option, let me just explain that to you. If you have more than one drive, you will get another options to say, do you want to fully clean the drive where the Windows is installed or all the drives? Just make sure you back up all your important data if you decided to fully clean all the drives. For this video, because I only have one drive, so I don't have a secondary drive, so it will only give me one option. Just wanted to make sure that if you have more than one drive, you will get this message to say if you want to fully clean the drive where the Windows is installed or all the drives. Make sure you just choose one of these two options, and once you choose the options that you want to go through, just click reset, and what happens next, what it does, it will download the reset everything, download the latest version of Windows, and then reinstall it. In this way you don't have to go through all the updates again, because if you choose the local reinstall, what it does basically, if you receive the machine with Windows 1903 installed, then that means it will divert you back to the default setting, and then you have to go through all the updates again. If the updates will fail again, that means you will have to go through all this again. So if you have Windows 2004, choose the cloud download, and I can reassure you it will 100% succeed. In the next video, I will show you on how to reset this PC directly through Windows. If you decided to reset the PC, please make sure you click on the link if you decided to reset your PC directly through Windows. Thanks for watching.